Exit access, exit at exit discharge. Ano-ano ito at may pagkakaiba-iba nga ba? Tara, alamin natin. Ako si Architect Elview at ito ang Architect Turo. Ang bawat gusali, maliit man o malaki, ay dapat nakadesenyo sa paraang ang bawat gumagamit nito ay may malinaw na ligtas na landas para makalabas sa oras ng emergency. Ang tawag dito ay Means of Egress. Ang Means of Egress ay ang tuloy-tuloy at walang patid na paglalakbay mula sa anumang sulok ng loob ng gusali patungo sa labas o pampublikong lugar. Ang Means of Egress ay may tatlong bahagi, ang exit access, exit, at exit discharge. Unahin natin ang exit access. As per the Fire Code of the Philippines, the exit access is the portion of the means of egress that leads to an exit. Kabilang sa exit access ang lahat ng rooms and spaces sa loob ng isang gusali. These are the rooms and spaces that are occupied and traversed to reach an exit. This includes the rooms, unprotected stairs, corridors, aisles, passageways going to the exit. Let's take a look at this example of the uppermost level of a 3-story office building. In this sample plan, there are typical office units, a loft-type office unit with an unprotected stairs going down to its adjacent office unit below, common male and female toilets, and a utility area. All these areas are served by a common corridor, which leads to the exits. All these areas belong to the exit access portion of the building. The second part of means of egress is the exit. The exit is that portion of means of egress that is separated from all other spaces of a building or structure to provide a protected way of travel to the exit discharge. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng separated? Separated means that the exit is isolated and protected mula sa mga hazards na maaaring manggaling mula sa mga exit access areas upang maiwasan ang pagkalat, sunog, usok at iba pang panganib. Examples of separation of exit by construction are fire-rated walls and fire-rated door assemblies. Ang tamang pagdisenyo ng exit ay hindi basta-basta. Maraming konsiderasyon sa tamang pagdisenyo nito. Kabilang na dito ay ang mga sumusunod. Tamang bilang ng dami ng exits per floor. Layo ng exits sa isa't isa. Mga pinahihintulutang uri ng exit. Tamang travel distance tungo sa exit mula sa pinakamalayong sulok sa loob ng gusali. Tamang sukat ng lapad ng mga pinto, hagdanan, corridors, at passageways. At higit sa lahat, tamang duration ng mga fire-rated assemblies. Kung ito ba dapat ay 1 oras, 2 oras o higit pa. Balikan natin ang ating sample plan. As per code, the minimum number of exits for any given floor shall be 2. Maaaring dumami ang required exits depending on the total occupant load computed for the whole floor. 2 exits are required for occupant load of 499 and less. 3 exits are required for occupant load of 500 but less than 1,000. And 4 exits or more are required for occupant load of 1,000 and above. In this example, let's say this floor level has a total gross floor area of 525 square meters and is used for BPO classification of business occupancy. We shall therefore use the occupant load factor of 4.6 square meters per person of gross floor area as per the FAR code. The computed occupant load for this floor is 114.13 or 115 persons, which therefore requires 2 exits, and each exit is to accommodate at least 58 persons each. For the required separation, under the protective enclosure of exit section of the FAR code, the required minimum separation for exit that connects 3 stories and less shall be 1 hour fire resistance rating, while the required separation for the exit that connects 4 stories or more shall be 2 hours fire resistance rating. So for this example, our 3-story office building will have exits with minimum of 1 hour fire resistance rating separation. At ang panghuling part ng means of egress ay ang exit discharge. The exit discharge is that portion of means of egress between the termination of an exit and the public way. Ito ang dulo ng exit that leads to a public way or an open space. Like the exit, separated or protected pa rin dapat ito. Lahat ng exit na nanggagaling sa itaas at ibabang palapag ng gusali ay dapat magtungo at lumabas sa exit discharge. Sa ating sample plan, ang exit mula sa pinakaitaas na palapag ay nagtatapos sa ground floor kung saan nandoon ang level of exit discharge. Ang huling fire-rated door assembly ay swing out to the direction of the egress travel going to a public way. So there you go, ang tatlong part ng means of egress. Ang exit access, exit, at exit discharge. Ang tamang disenyo ng means of egress would ensure the safe evacuation of the building occupants in times of emergency. Sa mga susunod na videos ay i-discuss naman natin kung paano ang tamang pag-design ng mga means of egress components. And we will start by understanding the correct way to determine the occupant load of the building per type of occupancy. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and if you want to know more, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!